In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Etsy shop on Instagram. By the end, your Instagram profile will send followers straight to your store with a single tap, making it easier for them to discover and shop your products. First, make sure you already have an active Etsy shop. Your shop should be live and publicly visible. If you're not quite there yet, finish setting up on Etsy before continuing. A quick tip: have your shop URL ready to paste. You can copy it from your shop's homepage. It typically looks like etsy.com/shop, your shop name. Now open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. We're going to set things up so your profile looks professional and includes a clear, clickable link to your Etsy store. Next, switch to a professional account. Tap the three-line menu in the top right, select Settings and Privacy, then scroll to Account Type and Tools under the For Professionals section. Tap Switch to Professional Account, hit Continue, and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose the category that best describes what you do, like artist, maker, or something close to your niche, and complete the setup. This sets your Instagram as a business account, which gives you access to professional tools and insights without changing your existing posts or followers. Return to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Scroll toward the bottom of the page where your link settings live. This is where your Etsy URL will go, so it displays right under your bio. Tap Links, then choose Add External Link. Paste the full URL of your Etsy shop. If you see a field for a title, add something clear like Shop on Etsy so visitors immediately know where the link leads. Double check that the URL is correct, including the HTTPS at the beginning, then save your changes. If you use multiple links on Instagram, make sure your Etsy link is positioned first so it's easy to find. Finally, go back to your profile and confirm the link appears under your bio. Tap it to test that it opens your Etsy shop correctly. That's your final check to make sure everything works for your audience. From now on, anyone visiting your Instagram profile can tap that link and go directly to your store. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Etsy shop to your Instagram profile. Keep your link up to date if your shop URL changes, and consider using a short, descriptive link title to make it even clearer for visitors. Happy selling!